Take, eat, easy. Take, eat, easy. I've never seen take, eat, easy before. I've seen lots of like little puns, but I haven't seen take, eat, easy before. Clever. I like it. Chiquinha. Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this particular video we're going to, I'm going to go down this alley back here. I'm going to explain in a minute. Peppercorn. And then over here is the Portuguese embassy, and then the Ipor where I studied Portuguese and I had a video about. That was kind of over that way a little bit. And there's some nice guardrails that protect us from the traffic. This is kind of a main street right here. And what I want to also show you is this right here. I don't know if you can see this, but this is all of this is under construction, so there's no windows except for this little row of windows right here, and they're all like barred. And there's a tree right there. Can you see that tree? It's right there. The tree. It's kind of interesting and funny at the same time. But yeah, this one has like kind of cool looking things all the way up there. So there's like the rooftop one, kind of semi-rooftops that kind of stagger, and then this whole kind of row, and they're kind of sandwiched between two things of metal. It's really interesting. So, but this particular one, what I want to do is go down into alley and just kind of see what's around here. This is basically a side street. It's kind of like bamboo stuff. So some of this bamboo stuff, they're building something, and it's shaking quite a bit. Let's just see what they're doing there. So yeah, they're building, and there they are. So they just stand on the bamboo and work. But yeah, that's moving around so much that pretty much every single person is looking and checking out what's going on. So anyways, there they are up there at work. It's funny. I think people are half expecting that to go down. I am. Okay, so this is a popular supermarket here. And then this street is kind of filled with cool stuff. It's kind of like a back street. It's parallel to this main street, but there's a lot of life and activity here, including food stands. And actually you can go all the way up there, up to, so we're just gonna take a look. So fruit stands, and then this is the main road, and this is an overpass to get over it. And I don't know how well you can see this, but there's some kind of cool looking buildings. I wish I could zoom in right there, but they're look like they're like overhead from the road. Interesting. I see a lot of interesting buildings around here. Okay, and now we got some food over here. Okay. Hello, just taking a look and seeing. Crispy chicken. Okay, here's a temple. We got a temple right here in this corner. More food. Huh. Really good food too. So let's take a look. Another alley, little restaurant here. There's a mercado, so they actually have, that's why there's so much fruits and vegetables here. Instead of mercado, we'll have a lot of fresh stuff. And you can see all the fresh vegetables everywhere. So yeah, there's a lot more right there. Sorry. Let's go over here, and then we have a temple. Then there's also like the staggering of the buildings too. There's like some really amazing rooftop apartments all around here. And we have a little temple right here. Let's just take a look in here real quick. Nice. We got another place over here. There's a lot of activity here. You can also see an apartment there. You can see what the apartments look like. So you can pick up some dinner right here. This looks like it's for the temple. So you can buy some offering. Oh, it's just like filled with stuff in this little alley. Huh. More apartments. You could walk down almost any one of these and see all kinds of cool stuff. But I'm gonna go to the right. They're bringing something down the street. So, okay. Huh. Pretty cool. I mean, just looking at this building right here, the structure of this building, it's kind of blocky and kind of cool looking. Then of course this corner too. But we're gonna walk up and we see some laundry shop, more stuff for the temple, real estate. Sometimes the real estate changes in different places, so you could figure that out if you can read Chinese, and you can see some of the prices for stuff. All these little gates are pretty typical, right? You put their potted plants out there. Okay. So we're going to go check out some other stuff. Here's another temple stuff. Big giant Buddha. Pretty cool. Another alley. And another restaurant. And then you got this kind of big row of stuff that is all residential, right? So there's a lot of stuff packed into a small little corner. So we're just gonna walk up these steps a little bit. There you go. And now I can start seeing some of the rooftop stuff too. Okay, I'm gonna keep on walking. So yeah, you got like park benches you can sit at, and then if you go all the way up, there's another one I saw that had a little outdoor elevator that kind of reminded me of Hong Kong's mid-levels. I think it might have been one of these two. Rua de Mitra. If you want to look it up on the map, Rua de Mitra. I'm just gonna could start walking up that way, but I'm pretty sure that one of these might be the one behind me, but we're just gonna walk up, but you can see the details of all these little places here. Wabi-Sabi, it's like a Japanese restaurant there. Import, export, that kind of cool stuff. I don't know if you can see in the reflection very well, but it's like a bag shop. Oh, that's kind of a cool looking. I like the color. And actually these ones, I don't know if this is one owner, but it could be like one whole building from one person. And if so, it's pretty cool looking. But then this one has these big windows, so kind of have like two very different architectural styles right next to each other, which is fairly typical in Macau. Makes it interesting. Okay, so this one would just go up the hill. Just want to check this out real quick. That's a pretty cool little offering shrine. Okay, so what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna go down 2 streets. Take, eat, easy. Take, eat, easy. I've never seen take, eat, easy before. I've seen lots of like little puns, but I haven't seen take, eat, easy before. Clever, I like it. This little Japanese place looks cool. Wabi-Sabi. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna walk down one more block. Actually, I can see some people that are just going across these little alleys right up there. But I think up here there's like a little elevator. Most people in Macau don't even know about this area, by the way, so you're getting privy to something that most people wouldn't know much about. So, yep, right here are the elevators, so you can just go up. So yep, it's like a little bit of a, almost like a mid-levels of Macau. So if you've ever been to Hong Kong and you see the mid-levels, they're kind of the same. You just stand on one of these and you just kind of keep going up, and you'll go by some noodle shops and all kinds of cool stuff. And then if you're up here too, these alleys, I see people kind of walking back and forth between these alleys too, so could go down either one of those just the same. But we're gonna keep on going up this one. It's a Chinese medicine place. Acupuncture and Chinese medicine. Closed at the moment. Then we're gonna go up to the top, and we're gonna kind of come up on a busy street right here, I think. And we might have to conclude because I probably have quite a bit of video already, but you can actually go up these stairs all the way up there as well. But that's gonna be it. There's a ukulele and guitar shop, Fuji Asia. Let's just see what that is, and then we're gonna close in a minute. Yeah, Fuji Asia, a piano city company that has a bunch, mostly guitars and some drums. Okay, so we'll just, then there's Grand Lisboa Casino as well. All right.